Good wishes, everyone. We invite you to Solar System family. Let's hear about astronomy from my friend Amadea. Astronomy is the study of everything in the universe, including planets, stars, moon, the sun. Do you like to know about the universe? I am the universe. I am everything. Living things, stars, moon, galaxies, and everything. Solar system is a part of me and my friend solar system. And the solar system, I consist of sun and all other objects that travel around the sun. Meet our head of the family, sun. I am the sun. This is my family. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. I have 8 planets in my family. The center of the solar system, also called hottest star. Here we have our family members to introduce themselves through dance and song. Let's enjoy.
There are 8 planets in the solar system. We revolve around the sun.